And the race is on, etc. Rushing up Storm Blast from the outside. Dad Jorka in between runners. Time to Shine Dad in the middle. Entry number 3, Catch Diamond, while Cheese Blanca is the early trailer by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, etc. Followed by Storm Blast from the outside. Time to Shine Dad by the rallies. Dad Jorka as they round the 3/4 mile distance. This time, Storm Blast by 3/4 of a length, followed by etc. And 3 lengths corner back in third. Time to Shine Dad by the Reds Dad Jorka. And running in fifth by about 5 lengths, Cheese Blanca and Catch Diamond. Passing the half-mile post, 3A Storm Blast by half a length, followed by etc. Getting closer in third is the Jorka. Time to Shine Dad, rushing forward by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Cheese Blanca moving up by the rail. And rounding the far turn, etc. is now the leader, Storm Blast. Cheese Blanca getting closer in third. The Jorka down on the inside as they race the last 450, etc. Via length and up. Cheese Blanca is on the outside. Firing grab moves up to take the lead. Cheese Blanca this time by about 2 lengths, followed by etc. The Jorka Storm Blast Catch Diamond, and nearing the finish line. 2012 Pircom Garnet 2 Stakes race belongs to Cheese Blanca, etc. The Jorka Storm Blast Catch Diamond, and about 4 Time to Shine Dad comes last.
134 ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing the